Hello, Mrs. Coryell's class.
Hello, Mr. Ingegers.
Today we just finished our notes called 1.2 dividing integers. Can you divide integers?
Yes.
Yes. Again, there should be no clicking. You should just be paying attention to what we're doing here. Okay, class. Quotient. Is this our quotient right here?
Yes. No.
That's not our quotient. Is this our quotient?
No.
The quotient is the answer to a division problem. Does this look like where we put the answer to a division problem?
Yes.
I need you to pay attention to what I'm doing here, okay? You got to pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, a divisor is the number that we're using to divide things, right?
Yes.
This is a division box, yes or no?
Yes.
The divisor always goes on the inside or the outside of the division box.
Outside.
So there's our divisor, right? The dividend is the number that is being divided, yes?
Yes.
Again, this is our division box. Where does the dividend go? Inside the box. And then if we have a leftover number after we're done with all of our dividing, we call that leftover number a what?
A remainder.
Put your sheets down. Okay, good. All right. When we're doing this thing called long division, we have a way to remember the process. Right here's our process, right?
Yes.
What does the D in... Okay, so the way we remember it is, does McDonald's serve burgers rare? Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare, right?
Yes.
What does the D in does stand for?
Divide.
What does the M in McDonald's stand for?
Multiply.
What does the S in serve stand for?
Subtract.
What does the C in cheese stand for?
Check answer.
And remember, when you're checking the number you subtract, it should be smaller than your divisor, right?
Yes.
What does the B in burger stand for?
Bring down.
What does the R in rare stand for?
Repeat.
Okay, we're going to do one. Shh. I'm going to go kind of fast. I'm going to solve this problem right here. So our problem was, you guys got to be ready to go here, 437 divided by 6. You guys remember that one?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Just listen and watch. Does 6 go into 4? Does this 6... No. No, that's not okay. Just answer the question. So I'm going to try again. Does 6 go into 4? No. So I put a place value holder up here, yes or no?
Yes.
Does 6 go into 43?
Yes.
How many times does 6 go into 43? So I'm going to put the 7 up here, and then I'm going to... So I divided, right? Does McDonald's... What does the M in McDonald's stand for?
Multiply.
So I'm going to multiply the 7 and the 6. What's 7 times 6?
42.
So I write down my 42. So does McDonald's serve? What does serve stand for?
Subtract.
So I'm going to subtract 43 from 42, right?
Yes.
And I get 1. So does McDonald's serve cheese? What does the cheese stand for?
Check answer.
Is this 1 smaller than this 6?
Yes.
Good. So does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What does the B stand for?
Bring down.
Do I need to draw this arrow?
Yes.
So I bring down my next number. So now I have 17. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? What does rare stand for?
Repeat.
So I repeat the process, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to divide. Does 6 go into 17?
Yes.
How many times? 2 times, right?
Yes.
So I put the 2 above the number I brought down, yes or no?
Yes.
Does McDonald's, what does McDonald's stand for?
Multiply.
So I'm going to multiply 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6?
12.
Does McDonald's serve, what does the S stand for?
Subtract.
What's 17 minus 12?
5.
Does McDonald's serve cheese? What does cheese stand for?
Check answer.
Is this 5 smaller than this 6?
Yes.
Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What does burger stand for?
Bring down.
Are there any more numbers to bring down?
No.
So am I done?
Yes.
But
No.
what's left over?
5.
So I need to write remainder.
5.
And then I ultimately do what to our answer?
Box it.
We good?